thunderstorm warning for northwestern Franklin County in northern
That didn't
New York,
take long.
northeastern St. Lawrence County in northern New York until 10 a.m. At 9:09 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Messina International Airport, Richards Field, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Brasher, Westville, Fort Covington Center, Messina Village, South Bombay, Brasher Center, Fort Covington, St. Lawrence State Park, Akwesasne Mohawk Territory, Ironton, Messina, Messina International Airport, Richards Field, Bombay, Rickhead River, Helena, Constable, Brasher Falls, Eisenhower Lock, St. Regis, and Hogansburg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe
offense you
thunderstorm
were
warning
supposed
for
to.
northwestern
Good.
Franklin County in northern